One day all eyes will be upon him. One day soon we will see him. All knees will bow before him. His return will open your eyes, so you may see Jesus. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Praise be to thee, praise him. He sits upon the throne, looking at you as his own. You're given a choice to make freely of your own. One day soon we will all be judged, standing alone in front of him, answering for our time here on earth, being judged forevermore. Separation from God or entrance into his kingdom forevermore. One day all eyes will be upon him. One day soon we will see him. Oh, we'll see who he is. All knees will bow before him. His return will open your eyes, so you